Intuition is the quiet inner knowing that seems to arise beyond logic. It's often felt as a deep sense of truth, guidance, or clarity. And many people experience this deep wisdom within their soul, which comes from either their higher self or a deep connection to the divine, the quantum realm, or source. So rather than forcing answers or trying to work it all out in your own head, intuition is received through stillness, trust, and openness. So let's find a comfortable position where your body can be supported and still. Allow your spine to be long and relaxed. Allow your hands to rest softly and gently close your eyes. Take a slow deep breath in and a slow breath out. Again, breathe in, drawing in peace, and breathe out, releasing the things you no longer need to carry. With each breath, allow yourself to arrive more fully in this moment. Let the outer world quiet and let your inner world open. Feel the surface beneath you holding you securely. Feel the earth beneath that surface, that structure steady and ancient, supporting you completely. Know that you are fully held. Take a moment to call your energy back to yourself from all the times you've given out, either physically, emotionally, or mentally, from the conversations of the day, from your responsibilities, from your worries, or from thinking about your past or the future. Gently call it all back home, like one big consolidation. Imagine your energy returning to you like threads of golden light, softly gathering into your heart. Bring your awareness to the center of your chest, your heart space. Imagine a little light glowing there, soft at first, warm, living, the quiet divine light within you. With every inhale, your light grows brighter. With every exhale, it expands further. Feel it filling your heart, your chest, your whole body. This light is your inner wisdom, your soul awareness, your connection to the deeper intelligence that moves in and out of everything. Now silently repeat, I am open to the wisdom of my soul. I am open to divine guidance. I am willing to receive. I trust the divine. Now bring your awareness to the space in between your eyebrows, the center of your inner vision. Imagine a gentle indigo or violet light glowing there, soft, clear, peaceful. Don't force it, just allow it to come in its own time. Allow this center to awaken in the presence of your attention. Now sense a subtle line of light connecting the space from your heart to the space in your inner vision in between your eyebrows. Heart and sight, feeling and knowing, soul and awareness united. And as these centers connect, feel yourself becoming both grounded and open, anchored in the earth, open to the divine. Now imagine just a little bit above your head, there's a radiant sphere of golden white light. It's pure and loving and wise. And this light might represent spirit, source, God, the universe, your higher self, or divine love. Whatever you call it doesn't matter. Let's rest for a moment in its presence. See this beautiful light shining all around you, peaceful and intelligent, and full of unconditional love just for you. The light knows you and accepts you completely, and it's always been right by your side. With your next inhale, imagine its golden white light pouring softly down through the crown of your head, flowing into your mind, into your throat, into your heart, into your belly, down into your legs, down into your feet. Feel it filling and overflowing into and around and through your whole being. Let it clear away any mental fog. Let it soften any fear. Let it dissolve doubt. And let it remind you of what's already true within you. Silently say, I am guided, I am protected, and I am connected to sacred wisdom. Now imagine yourself standing in a place of immense natural beauty, perhaps a forest, perhaps on a mountaintop, or a shoreline under a beautiful sky. Choose a place that feels mystical and peaceful to you. This is your sacred inner sanctuary, a place where you can reach wisdom easily and effortlessly, a place beyond noise, a place where truth feels simple and easy to understand and grasp. Take a moment to notice what's surrounding you. The colors, the smell of the air, the sounds, the feel and the energy of this sacred space. In this sanctuary, you are safe to listen, and hearing comes easily. And now ask inwardly, what would my soul or divine love like me to know right now? Don't force the answer. Don't try to analyze it. Simply receive. Perhaps guidance comes as words. Perhaps it's a feeling, a symbol, a memory, a sensation in the body, a deep sense of peace. Or perhaps it's a quiet, still inner knowing. Now trust that peace, the stillness, and the silence, because silence is not absence. Silence is space. And the space allows wisdom to arrive and thrive. So ask again softly, what truth is ready to reveal itself to me now? Pause, breathe, receive. Now, bring your awareness into one area of your life that you would like a little bit of help or direction, and hold it gently in your heart. Please show me the next aligned step. Your intuition may speak through expansion, a feeling of lightness, a quiet inner yes, a sense of peace, or it may speak through contraction and heaviness or hesitation, revealing what is not aligned. Now honor whatever you notice. There is nothing to force, only a relationship to strengthen. Now imagine that golden white light around you becoming even brighter, surrounding your body like a luminous field. And this light filters out what's not yours. It strengthens discernment. It helps you recognize the difference between the voice of fear and the voice of guidance. To recognize the difference between desperation, urgency, and truth, and the difference between illusion and a plumb-lined inner knowing. Rest for a moment inside this beautiful, protected light. And silently repeat, I trust the sacred wisdom within me. My intuition is a free gift I receive and grow. My path becomes clear as I listen. I don't need to know everything right now because I trust the process, because I'm learning to trust the process. I honor the guidance of this moment. Take a slow breath in and a slow breath out. Let these words settle into your spirit. Know that intuition is not something outside of you. It's one of the ways the divine speaks within you, through your body, through your heart, through deep knowing, and through repeated whispers of truth. The more openly and lovingly you listen, the more clearly you will recognize this voice of truth. So let's thank your inner wisdom. Thank your soul. Thank the divine presence that supports and guides you. And thank yourself for making space to receive. Begin to feel the room around you again. Feel your body resting where it is. Feel the surface beneath you. Feel your breath moving naturally. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Bring your hands to your heart if that feels right. And offer yourself this final blessing. May I trust that I am guided. May I trust that I'm divinely protected. May I walk in clarity. And may I remain open to sacred guidance. Take a final breath in. And a slow breath out. And when you're ready, Open your eyes and enjoy the rest of your day.